Coming up in this video, I'm going to be doing a room tour of my stay at the Moon Palace Sunrise in Cancun, Mexico. Let's go.
Perfect.
All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I create videos on a weekly basis. Whether you're looking to become a travel agent, whether you're looking for tips, reviews, or mindset, I create those videos on a weekly basis, so consider subscribing. Now, let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and hop right over to that room tour, and I just want you to know that, again, like I said, I'm at the Moon Palace in Cancun, Mexico, and I want you to know there are two different sides. There is the Grand and there is the Sunrise, and I'm on the Sunrise section, so I'm about to give you a tour of my king room. So let's hop right into that room tour. All right, everyone, as you can see, I'm here at room 4127, and they attach a room key to your wrist so you'll never lose it. So as we walk into this beautiful room, you are met with the king size and your jacuzzi tub. And as you can see, this room is fit for a king. And look at this beautiful headboard. I mean, this is just simply an amazing view to walk right in here to see how huge this bed is. Of course, it can fit two. So if you're looking for a king, this is it. As you can see, this is the jacuzzi tub right in your room, and I'm telling you, it was amazing. So as you can see, it is well lit at the top here with the beautiful ambiance here. Jacuzzi tub, of course, can fit two. They already have the towels, bubble bath, and everything set out for you, ready to go. And it is amazing. Now here you have a double chair with some wine. Of course, you have your dresser for your clothes. I'm panning around here as we enter back into the bathroom area. As you can see, it's very well lit. Of course, you have your towels here. You have all of your amenities on top of the counter. And I'm going to pan down here just so you can see how much storage area you have if you need to leave anything there. Of course, a beauty mirror for the ladies. And I'm going to pan around here to this beautiful double glass closet. I'm going to go ahead and open up this closet so you can see, of course, where you'll be storing your clothes. You have a safe in here if you want to keep anything safe up there. Of course, you have enough room up here for anything that you want to put up there. And of course, those rows. And don't forget, of course, you had that ironing board and iron. Now, we're actually going to go into the private bathroom where you have the private toilet here, accompanied by a telephone if you need to make any call for any emergencies. You have your towels here, and we're going to walk right into the rain shower. And I love this shower because not only is it a rainfall shower, but you actually have somewhere where you can sit, turn on that high heat, and actually turn this into a sauna if you would like, or a steam room. Now we come back out, and again, like I said, they had all of the all spa toiletries right here on the countertop. Very nice. Of course, your glasses, your napkins, and again, that double glass closet. Now, again, this is a view of the entire room. Again, very nice, very sophisticated. And it was very comfortable. I had no issues sleeping, but you can't have a room tour without seeing a beautiful balcony. So as I head to the balcony, first we have to open up the double curtain, of course, the blackout curtains, so you don't have to see that sun. And then the privacy curtains, just in case you want to let a little sun in, but you still want that privacy. And I'm telling you, this view is phenomenal. So I'm telling you, if this is one of the rooms you're checking out, or you thinking about coming to this resort, definitely get this room with the view. Now, as I step out here on the balcony, of course, we have his and her seating with a table. You also have a canopy if you want to relax and lay out, but I really just want you all just to take in this view. You have a mini golf course and plethora of different walking paths. So definitely check out this resort. And again, I create videos like this on a weekly basis. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video.